I'm going to show you how you can replace the iPhone 6s Plus screen. If it is broken, then you need to replace it. You can get the parts online. So before you can do anything, first make sure you switch off the phone and turn off the power. This is the replacement part. Now, to start off, you need to take out the two pentalobe screws at the bottom. They are next to the charging port. So take them out. Now there are some glue on the edge of the phone, so it'll be easy if you warm up with a hair dryer. Next we can use a pry tool or a blade to pry off the screen. Begin with the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where there is a small gap. So it is just above the headphone jack. There is a small gap for us to insert a prying tool or a sharp blade to begin the screen taking off process. So once you got underneath the screen, we can use a pry tool to slide it along the side here, as you can see. So do it on both sides of the screen. To go across the bottom, then work your way to the other side, like so. After that, just lift up the screen gently. And now remove the two screws on the battery bracket. Take out the bracket and you can disconnect the battery. This will take out the power. Next, take out the 5 screws and then take out the metal bracket, and underneath we can remove the 3 flex cable. And then just lift off the screen. And there it is. After the screen is detached, we can now remove these screws here and take out the bracket. Now take out the earpiece, and next we can take out the flex cable. Now there are 7 screws you need to remove, then 2 screws at the bottom right there. Now take out the metal bracket, and this will expose the home button. And take out the backplate shield right there. Push the home button upwards. Just do it gently so that you don't break it. And take it out. Remember to disconnect the flex connector. At the top here, remove the camera holder plate, and then gently lift up the camera flex cable. So be careful that you don't push too hard. You don't want to break any components. Now you also need to remove this filter. Next, on the new screen, put on the filter and then put on the back plates back on, and put on the 7 screws. Now we put the camera holder back in, then the flex cable. So put the flex cable back in right there. Make sure you push it down, and it have a small hole that you can line up. Now make sure the sensors go into the right spot, and we can put the earpiece back in. After that, we can put the bracket back on and put on the 3 screws on top right there. Now we can put the home button back on and connect the home button or the sensor the touch ID. So connect the touch ID flex cable to the extension. Next, we'll put the metal bracket back on with the 2 screws. And now we can begin to connect the 3 flex cables to the board. And after that, we can put the metal bracket cover back on with the 5 screws, 3 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Now we want to connect the battery connector, and then close it off with the 2 screws on the metal bracket. And finally, we can close the screen. Make sure you push on both sides down, like so. And finally, put the 2 screws back on, the two pentaloop screws, and you can turn on the phone and test. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.